My name is Susana. I was born in Brazil. I live in many different countries. I live in Italy, Germany, Israel. Now I'm living in Indonesia, in Bali. And I run retreats. The workshops are based in experiences, are based in how can you face yourself and your fears and your traumas, but in a soft way. And we do that in the sense of getting this togetherness by sharing, by crying and laughing together in a fun and safe space. The time we're gonna be together, we're gonna be like a family. I try to be at least a life changer. I try to be someone that touches hearts and make people get to know who they are, using love for that. That's my highest, biggest